Hi, welcome to Philhome.com. Today we're at Crosswinds. I have the brochure here. This is by Brittany and it's a Vista Land company. So we're going to take a look at the Lucerne model, which is this one behind me. And the floor area of this is 207 square meters. So let's go trip in and check it out. Now, just to let you know, go down into the description, click like, and then also subscribe. And then you can see all the details and square meterage and the price and everything on this house is found there, okay? So let's go in here and check this out. This is by Brittany. They're famous for like the Portofino South and Portofino Heights and Portofino Amore and the Vista Mall. They're all part of that. All of Villiers properties. But let's go check it out. So you come up to the porch here and you can see you got a little like balcony porch here. You can stand and check out what's going on. You can see your neighbors across the way. See that? Let's go into the house though. Let's check it out. Look at these cool designs of how they did the railings on the stairs. That's pretty cool. Nice hardwood. So let me pan this room here. This is the living room when you walk in. Look at all these windows for light. And so you can see all that green out there. So this is your combo living room and dining room and kitchen, kind of American style, where it's all in one big room. And you see the kitchen layout here. See the cabinetry, the sink area, spot for the stove. So off the kitchen here is a maid's room. So, and the maid's room has its own CR and shower. So from the maid's room, this also has, there's a door here. They created storage under the stairway, see that? So a few square meters underneath the door here, under the stairs. Or you could take that out, whatever. You could turn that into a pantry, or just a storage for jackets and things, or just a storage for boxes. So you have a room here on the right. You've got synthetic flooring, and as you walk into the room, look at all these windows to bring that nice green color in here. And then they have a built-in closet here. See that? Nice. And then this house has, this model house has a stairway down to a basement. So this room down here in the basement area, which is actually the ground floor, not really a basement, but it has its own bathroom and full shower set up here. So you can see, nice. And then over here, you have like a walk-in closet. So basically you could put shelves around here and hang your clothes here and everything. But you also have a door. If you don't want to walk upstairs and you want to run outside, you just open this door and you're already, as you can see, you're already in the driveway, which the driveway can hold a few cars. But we'll go check out the outside later. Sorry about the echo down here. There's no furniture or nothing in there, so it tends to echo. So let's go, see, look at all these windows. That's nice. All that light coming in here. So then we come up to the next stairs. And to the left here is the master bedroom. You see that? See all that synthetic flooring? Looking kind of like Nara. And this master bedroom has a balcony. So the balcony faces the front, as you can see. Look at all those like green pine trees and stuff. Then you got some windows on the side here for more light. Then you got the master bedroom closet. It has a sliding door here, nice. If you wanted to close it off. So you got cabinets on the right and cabinets on the left, and then you have another pocket doors here. You could close these if you wanted to see that when you want to use the bathroom. And you have the sink area and shower. See, look at that shower. You got a glass enclosed full shower. Nice tile on the floor. And tiled everywhere up to the ceiling in here. So there's actually a bonus onto this house. There's another stairway that goes up. And my friend said this is a great room for mahjong. If you want to play mahjong. Or this could be a kid's playroom. You know, they can come up here and play and get out of your way. You know, when you're having a party or something downstairs, your kids can come up here and play. Or you can make it a bedroom or a little gym or whatever, you know. Lots of possibilities. And since this lot's good size, you could add on to the house easily. So let's go take a look at the perimeter now. If you look at that, this is what you're looking at when you're coming out down your stairs. Now, which way shall I go? Let's go look over here. See, you can see where your line starts. See the wall here? And see this post here? That's where it ends. But you can see the garage area here now with rock fascia. So over here are some stairs to go up. And you can see the back part here. And I believe, but I will make the correction if I'm wrong down in the description, but I believe that this lot goes all the way to that wall up there. So check down this description to see if it's true or not. Because see, next to this house is the model house here, fully furnished. And you can find the video for that at philhome.com or at the Philhome Facebook. Now, this lot, even though you see a wall here, it extends all the way to the street. And this lot too, I believe, also extends to the street. So you could do whatever you want out here. So just keep that in mind. Now, if I'm wrong about it extending to the street, I know the model house next door extends to the street. But if I'm wrong, I'll make the correction down in the description. See, so come down through here. Nice rock wall, concrete wall here. And you can see your property line runs down this wall straight to that post, see? But I'm gonna make my way through the bushes here on the outside of the property line to get back into the front of the house. So let's just pan back on this house. So I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough by philhome.com. Go down the description, get all the details. You can go to philhome.com and contact us there, or you can go to Philhome Facebook and contact us with your personal Facebook. So I hope you enjoyed tripping with me, and have a good day.